Hey guys, in this video we're looking at the difference of two squares. So this is a method that we use to factorize something that looks like this, when you have a square number minus another square number. And the thing with this is just being able to identify when we can use it. Once we can use it, we can go straight into our solution, which says you have your first item plus your second item, all that in brackets, times, again, your first item, this time minus your second item. So when I talk about square numbers, what I mean is numbers that follow this pattern, right? 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. So essentially numbers that you can take the square root of, or you can obtain from squaring a certain number, right? So getting into the first example, what we have is n squared minus 25. So if I rewrite that as n squared minus 5 squared, you can see that the first item here is actually my A and the second item there is actually my B. Alright, so what I can then do is jump straight into my solution, which tells me A plus B, so in this case n plus 5 times n minus 5, and that's my solution. Alright, for the second example we have 4x squared. So what we can do, again, we can express that like this: 2x squared minus 3y squared. And notice that I'm using my index laws here in order to express that. So I can again jump into my solution, which is 2x plus 3y multiplied by 2x minus 3y. Alright, finally for this one, we want to factorize using the difference of two squares. So we can see that this one here is going to be, well, it's a 3, which is actually not a square number. So what I'll do is I'll actually take the square root of 3x squared, right? So what this allows me to do is to obtain this up here when I square root whatever, when I take the square of whatever's in the brackets. And this will be 7 squared. Alright, so this will give me root 3x plus 7 multiplied by root 3x minus 7. Something important to note is that this right here is not the difference of two squares because we have a plus. What we need is a minus. Cheers, guys.